Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video a stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyles. Some ideas for any hairstyle. So beautiful collection of messy hairstyles. Different ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut and many much more. Latest ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And so beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And so beautiful overall collection, overall ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please support me. Support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.